All right, now ChatGPT, Unity, in fact, C sharp programming and doing things like what you can see here in Unity. How can we do that? It seems quite simple. So we have a cube and then we write a code like this so that you can change different kinds of, like speed, amplitude, and frequency. Let's ask Unity, see if it can do that for us. I asked OpenAI, ChatGPT. I assume a cube we have in Unity and use C sharp to move along sine profile in X direction. For instance, it can be any direction with a speed of 1 meter per second. So you've got three, so you can see that how it does it for us. It's got three parameters and then a time and gets the start time in the start and then updates it every frame and just gets the simple, math sine wave. It's got all the frequency and amplitude and speed in the equation. This here is the equation that is used there. I just copy it and then go to Unity, which is here, and created a script and a cube. And the script is attached to a cube, as you can see here, right? And all these speed, amplitude, everything is here. And the script has got all these parameters, all right? And when you run it, I haven't done anything, basically just like ask the question, got this code and attach it. And in the meantime, you can actually manipulate it. You can see here if I change the speed, so if the speed will change or amplitude, you see the amplitude will change. So that's cute, right? You can make changes as you wish. This is amazing. So I'll try to do some more advanced one if it's possible, but always it seems that we should be very specific. So you can't really ask to do anything for you, but if you become more specific, for instance, you can see here that the X value changes according to that, the amplitude and the frequency and so on and the speed, right? And even you can do also other things. It helps you along your way. So this is amazing. Let's see what else we can do.